They're thinking about doing silent movies in there. That'd be kind of neat.
Parece que engañaron a...
Building right next door to the Aztec, the Green Color building, that is the Mocara Hotel and Spa today. But from 1901 to 1923...
Ah, no tiene cosas para allá, no.
Now, L. Frank was a wholesale and retail saddle and bridle manufacturer, who in 1898 had the honor of outfitting Teddy Roosevelt and his Rough Rider. And in 1910, L. Frank had the notorious Mexican Revolutionary...
Mira, el patito está haciendo competencia, van mandado, mira.
To my left is the very beautiful Valenciennes Hotel, and that started out originally in 1853 as the St. Mary's School. And as the years went by, the school evolved into the St. Mary's Law School. In the 1960s, graduates from that law school bought the building and turned it into the very lovely Valenciennes Hotel. Now, if you happen to find yourself in their lobby and perhaps in their lounge, you'll be in the original 1850 street structure. Now, ladies and gentlemen, as we come out from underneath the Navarro Street Bridge, if y'all would look very high and to the left of the road, you're going to see what appears to be a 22-story standing wall. It's as high as what you're looking at is the Ditch Professional Center. That was the very first full-service hospital opened up in Texas. They opened for business in 1930. But they were also the very first fully air-conditioned hospital in all